Can you see that? Very, very small. So there is a chance for us to finish this up in 2025. Let's get ready with Project Pan products. It's the end of the year. Who would have believed? I'm using my Milk Makeup mini primer. This is really, really small. And this is a pore filler. And I'm just filling my pores. I already did my skincare, so that's out of the way. I'm just applying. I have a lot of pores here, so just let's cover them up. And this is the primer I chose to continue with, knowingly that it will not be over by the end of 2025 because I recently opened it. So, but we have this one. This is from Nude Sticks. I already cut it open and there is very, very little product inside. Can you see that? Very, very small. So there is a chance for us to finish this up in 2025. Look how much product there is still left. And I'm going to just put it all over my face, and with the intention of finishing it up. This is the last day of the year. If I won't finish it today, I won't finish it. I'm not going to apply my makeup one more time today. This is the only time. Maybe a few touch-ups in the evening, but that's it. So there is still products inside. It feels really like a miracle, the amount of product that's still inside this, but I think we're almost done. So let's just take my brush that I recently washed. It's all clean and just, I don't know which side to start. I applied so much. I'm doing the Meredith technique. No, definitely not. She did something that is good for her age, 20-something skin. Unfortunately, if I would do that, it would be horrendous. So I'm trying to buff it up and not smear, not like this. Just buff it up. And look how much product we have on our face. So I'm going to apply it all over my face. And I have a feeling that I will need to rewash this brush. Now I am just a tiny bit dragging it, just to make sure everything is covered. And I'm going for my neck as well, just a tiny bit. The worst thing is having a different shade on your neck than your face. My nose is acting up. No matter what I do, nothing helps, and applying so much foundation is not the right way to correct it, I guess. But we really need to be focused on the goal, and the goal was to finish this foundation. And I think we're done. I think this one can go to the bin. It's just, there's really, I'm just messing everything up. There's really nothing left. Maybe I can, you know, squeeze out one last application for 2026, maybe, because there is still product inside. Yeah, can you see? There's still, do you see the shine? Yeah, there is still product inside. This one from Catrice, Magic Shape. I love this product so much. I even hit pen here. Love this one. Highly recommend. Only $8. Really affordable. I just use these two together. I find that they give the best shade match for me, for my likings. So it is a trial and error, and it does depend on the time of year. I really, really enjoy this one. It really, really does. Lots and lots of fun. And of course, here where the sun is hitting on us at summertime, but we want to pretend it's summer now. For some of us, it's summer. If you're from Australia, for example, midsummer. Well, I don't know about midsummer, but definitely summer. And look how pretty that blends. Very, very nice. Of course, we can always add a bit more if we feel like we want to. So I always feel like I want to add more. I don't know why. Let's just add more. Adding more definitely makes me feel good. I don't know what it is about bronzers, but bronzers and blushes are my weakness. I have a drawer, an Alex drawer full with bronzers and one full with blushes and highlighters. But one is just bronzers. Just bronzers. Okay. For my cream blush, I'm using this one from Sigma. This is cream blush in Pashima. There is a small change, but you know, it is a cream blush. How much does... We don't use a lot. We just... That's it. It's, I think, impossible to finish a cream blush unless this is the only cream blush that you have in your collection. I just showed you that I have more. I have these two. I have, again, a drawer full of more. I'm just taking a tiny bit from the pinky shade here and adding to the Sigma one, because I think the Sigma one is a bit light for my current situation, current likes. It changes all the time. This is why I love having so much to choose from. I have a new one from Makeup Forever that I love so much, but this is Project Pan. I hit pan only here in the highlighter because this is the favorite shade of highlighter I really love, and this is really easy to use, and I usually use it with my finger where I want to shine. It gives subtle highlight. It's not something boom in your face. We can mix it also with this one just to feel better about the dent here. Just mix them up. I will do the same on the other side, but it's subtle. It's not very pigmented. I am going to top it with a powder one, so we will have the punch from the powder one. Look at that. This is really pretty. On days that I am really lazy, I will just apply the same shade to my eyelids. So very versatile. Love. Now I want to also use some powders. So I have this powder from Dior. This is the Dior Backstage Face and Body Powder No Powder. This is really old. I am trying to finish it. There is a dent. Can you see the dent? But it's not enough. Frustrating. I really wanted to finish it in 2025. But I guess I should have used it more because I have so much makeup in my collection that needs to be used. And I don't know. I really enjoy using this product. I bought it by accident in the shade 3N when I should have chosen 2N as a powder. So I have to use it as a bronzer. I can't use it as a powder. And this one from Dior again. This is their Glow Face Palette in 004. Look how gorgeous this is. This is relatively new, but I love it so much, and I definitely love blending colors. So I usually blend these two or these two together. And now look at that. Can you see that? Whew, that's gorgeous. And again, mixing up. And it sits so nicely on the cream highlighter. Now, aliens, I'm here. Anyone in space, maybe astronauts, can definitely see me now. I'm just doing my brows with my essence. This one will never, I don't think I will ever finish it. I'm using it and using it and using it and using it. And It's still kicking. It does not want to be finished. I usually just add some color to those. For eyes, I have this one from Urban Decay. This one is the eyeshadow primer potion. I do not do my eyeshadows every day like I used to, but still, this one is keep going and keep going and keep going. And now I really think this is going to be maybe one of the last time I'm going to use this one from Vive. Look how much progress we've done with this. There's nothing comes out anymore. It's just the ends here, and I think it's the plastic. Let's see. No, there's still product left, but I think we are at the end of this, and this makes me happy and sad because it's a good product. I really love using Vive. I do have only 2 products from Vive, this and an eyeshadow palette, but both were very high quality. I think this is really the end, unless I will dig into it. I can maybe take this side and just, yeah. Oh my God, look how much product there's still inside. Yeah, amazing. Really nice. So we can, and then use it like this. Okay, this is revolutionary. This is really nice. I'm just blending with a flat brush, so it will look normal and not smudging. Well, not smudging. Not like this. Can you see this? This is awful. So we really need to blend. Blending. Ooh, this is such a pretty color. This is from Colourpop. Like a Shot is the shade of this beautiful Super Shock shadow. And this one has a dent, but the dent is just, while you hit pen does not mean that you finish the product, because the pen is here for a few months and nothing happens. It's still, I keep going, and I am trying to take out as much product as I can. I really wanted to finish this in 2025, but as we can see, that wasn't successful. Now my question to you is, do you think I should start over fresh with new products or carry these products to 2026? What do you think? This is the shade. Really pretty shade. Okay, now I have this one from Uden's Eye for the lips. This is very pigmented. Very pigmented. Can you see that? I really need a lip liner for this. This is in the shade, God help me, Bossy. Now we can use this Uden's Eye. This is how it looks like. I still have a lot of product. Yep, definitely. Okay, almost done. Setting spray. This is their Maybelline Lasting Fix. I blaming hate this product, not for the product itself, for the mister. I sprays too much. Can you see? I don't know if you can see, but it sprays and everything is it's awful. Too much product comes out. So the product itself is good, but the mister is horrified. This is it. This is the final look.